Hello everybody, welcome to our channel Gurukul. Today we are going to talk about with the kids how can we hit the ball forehand with more control. So we are going to teach the kid about how they will go down, do first shadow swing, and then after that they will hit the ball contact point and maintain the balance and the weight transfer. We are going to do that. So now let's go and start. So we already did the warm up like running and stretching, and that thing is already done. So we are going to do now the how we can do check the grip and doing the shadow. Ready position? Okay. Little more wide. Ready? Wide and shadow with me. Okay. 1, 2, and 3. So you balance. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And this leg is moving here. So that one you have to be here. Okay? Ready? Back. Ready once again? Ready? Little more down. Little more down. Little wider. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, ready? Move faster. Come on, one more. 1, 2, 3. Okay, ready? Back. 1. No, not like this. First. This is the 1. 1. Okay, ready? Come on, 1, 2. Okay? Then you are done. Okay? You understand? Now ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, ready? One more. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the uniturn. Uniturn 1 and then 2. Okay? Ready? Ready? So now back and this side. And then 2, and then going down and going up. Okay? Ready? Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more. 1, 2, 3. Okay. You understand? Now, ready position here? Line up. One line. Each and every time you are going to hit the ball, and maintain the balance, okay? So after hitting the ball, you have to stay here once again and then come back, okay? Ready? 1. Ready? Once again, ready? Hit the ball. 2 men like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4 straight, okay? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, good. 1, 2, 3. Good. Next. 1, 2, 3. Why you want this? Give me your hand. Hold it here. Don't drop, okay? Don't drop. Ready? 1, 2, 3. When you finish, turn, lift it forward, and then finish and try to catch. Don't drop here, okay? Hold it here. Ready? Little more back. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Hold. Stay there. 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. 1, 2, 3. Okay. See. Then you are going more here, and then your leg is moving. Okay. So if you stay here, your leg will be here. So don't do too much. Okay. Please move back. 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. Nice. Good. Okay. Now I want back side. Do a little more back. Stay back. Do shadow. Okay. Do shadow. Little more back. You go back. Do back. Ready. Behind do shadow. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Good. Again. Why you are leaving? 1, 2, 3. Why you are leaving the hand? Hold your racket. Continue. 1, 2. Again. First right here. Right here. Hold here. 1, 2, and hold here. Not here. Hold it here, over your shoulder, like this. You push it, okay? No problem. 1, 2. Again is here. Why racket is
Hello,
coming here? Why racket is coming here? Coming here, over. Here. Not here. Here. This will go down. This will go up. 1, 2. Good. Better now. Ready, one more. 1, 2. Ready. Okay. Slowly. You understand? Slowly. This is, you can't do here, okay? You come here. Oh my God. Okay. Back. 1. Oh, good. Balance. 2. Okay. 3. Okay, next. Saddle. 1. Okay. 2. Okay, good, better. 3. এবার কেরম হচ্ছে বলো go back. 1. Okay. 2. Okay. 3. Nice. Next. Okay. 1. Okay. Good one. 2. Okay. 3. Okay, ready, move back. Move back. Now I will give the ball little fast and you have to come here. You have to come here, side, and then hit, recovery step, and back. Shadow. Like, you are ready, turning, you are going, watch here, and then move. And then final step, and then hit. Okay, show me again. Go. Okay, back. Ready? 1, stop. Good, back, recovery. Yeah. 1 and 2. Good one, back. Nice. 1 and 2. Okay, good. Next. Can I see? Don't show. Okay, 1 and 2. Oh, back. This 1 and 2. Okay, ready, back. 1 and 2. Okay, next. Okay, 1 and 2. Okay, back. 1 and 2. Nice. 1 and 2. Good. Next. Okay. 1 and 2. Good one. Stay there. Balance. Huh? Okay, ready, back. 1. Okay. So one more. I can give you. 1. Okay. And 2. Okay. Back. Next. Go. Step back. 2 balls. Okay. Last 2 balls. 1 and 2. Okay. So can you pick the balls now? Come on, faster. Pick up the balls. So in this case, the most of the time I had seen that coaches are waiting, walking to the court, staying like this, and kids are picking up ball, taking 5 minutes, 7 minutes. So it's my job to tell them to do fast, and I also going to help them to take the ball. So what happens? If I will do like this, then they will do more faster, and I'm helping. So I might have to more active. How can they will do more faster to pick up the ball so they can play a more tennis within small time. Chalo? Okay. Now I told you how to do this. So next time you already know the forehand. Next time I am going to do back. Okay. So now I will go that side and you try to rally with me. I want 10 balls with me. Okay. Hit all the ball to me and try to make. Okay. Ready? On. Ready? Now do 1. To me. I want all the ball to me. 1. Good. 2. Nice. Sorry. 1. Okay. 2. Okay. 3. Okay. 4. Okay. 5. Okay. Up. 1. Good one. 6. Okay. 7. Nice. One more. 1. Can you do shadow behind? Shadow. Okay. This is back. Okay. This one, go, 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 and back again. This one. Okay, next. So, one person is hitting to me, but other one also going to follow the same thing for the shadow. So, nobody going to take rest. So, everybody will play same amount of tennis, okay? Ready? If you play more rally, if you play more with me, okay? Back. Okay. Up, sideways. Good. Sorry, my ball. One. To me. Hit the ball to me. Okay, ready, back. Okay. Okay. Nice. Go. Okay. Take it back and one more. Okay. Up. Okay. This one. Easy ball. Up. Again, keep your eye on the ball. Last one. Everybody 3 balls each, okay? Sorry. Racket do racket. Come on, nice. Okay. Go behind the ball. That's good. Come on. Next. So do shadow. Anushka is not doing shadow, okay? 1, okay. 2, okay. 3, back. 4, come on, do backhand. Nice. 5, go behind the ball. Okay, good catch. Back. So my job to give them a very nice return. So very close to them, and ball is bouncing, not going very fast. So for them, it's easy to hit the ball. So my job to give return, very nice ball, same ball, all the ball in the same place. And then they will get more ball. And if they will hit the ball more, and then it is good for them. So I don't want to make them run. I want to make them learn, okay? If I will make them run, then I can put in the fitness coach, they will do all these things. My job to teach tennis, not making them too tired, okay? This is the important thing. Next change. Are you doing shadow behind? Ready? 1. Good one. Nice. Good. This. Nice. Okay. Back. Okay. This one. Okay. So now you understand. So you are doing good. So you try to control and play with me. So now, come here. Come close. So now we did the forehand. What do we learn? More control, okay? Balance, posture. Every time you go to the ball, stop, and then we hit, and then we recover step, okay? So now I want to make you some points, okay? So we are going to play 5 points to win, okay? Can you come this side? You stay there. In the mini tennis we are going to do now, okay? Ready? Mini tennis, okay? This is the single sport we are going to play. Who is going to win 5 points? Don't hit the book more hard, okay? Do just rally. 1, nice, 2, 3. Very good. It's out ball, catch it. This is the mini what we are doing, okay? Just to want to show that, okay? Don't. I will. Okay? Now, 1. Okay? 1. Out, 1 all. Come on. Okay. Come on. Nice, good. Go to the ball. Don't miss the ball, okay? Don't miss. That's a good one. It's a good control. Yeah. Okay. 2, 1. Okay. This one. Oh, run. It's out ball. You are hitting out. Okay. 3, 1. Anushka is good now. Oh, Anushka is getting short ball. Yeah. She knows that. She knew that you were slow. Okay, come on. 1, 2. That's a good one. Okay, so 2, 3. Okay. Now one more. One, two, three, four, five, six. Is out? Out? I don't know, but is out? Understand? Yeah, you have to be always here, okay? Don't cheat, okay? Now 4-2, okay? This is the match point for her, but you have to try, okay? You have to still, you can win. Still you can win. Okay, back. Is in or out? Out, okay, the side out, okay? So 4-3. Very close match. Come on. 4-all, I don't know. This is the match point for the both, okay? Who is going to win this point? They will win the match. Okay? Yeah. That's good one. 9. Okay. And out. Okay. Now it's finished match. Second now. So always when you are playing match, after the finish, you have to second because this is the way, okay? You can come close. Okay. So you understand? Next one. Next we are going to do the backhand, okay? So we are going to do backhand today, but so this is the way. When we start the lesson, warming up, after warming up, we do the drill with the basket drill. After basket drill, I did some rally with that. So coach is involving, coach is doing the feeding the ball with the rally, the live ball rally, okay, with the coach. And then after that, I make some points because every tennis, when you are coming to play tennis, you always have to play match because the end of the day you are going to play the match situation. Okay, so every time when you finish, you try to play some points, so it will feel like you are playing match. Okay, so that is finished, and after that we have to wrap up what we did. So we did already the balance thing, racket back and take back. Okay. So next time we are going to do again, okay? Can you pick up the balls, okay? Okay, one moment. Now see, we are going to finish this one, okay? Next we are going to do backhand, okay? Ready? Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, can you pick up the balls? So this is the way. So my job, that always I have to involve with the player. I'm not going to stay outside and watching what they are doing. Okay, okay, hit the ball like this. Okay, keep the ball in the court. After 5 minutes, I will say, no. My job, when I am on court, I am involved with the kids, with the player, and I always try to give them advice if they are doing any wrong, because they are coming here to play, and my job to teach them very nicely, okay? So I hope I explained about this one. Next I am going to do the backhand, about the fundamental, and after that we are going to do the service also. So thank you very much for watching our channel, and thank you very much for your time. Please subscribe our channel and put the bell button so all the video will go to you very fast. And next video we are coming, so please watch our next video. Thank you.